Hey, it's another great day in Southern California. I have a new paper shredder here. This is a Boxis Autoshred. Pretty blue color. Stands upright. Looks real nice. Fits under your desk. UL approved, so it's very safe. There's little casters down here to roll around your floor. And they even have little locks on them to lock down the caster. That's pretty cool. And it says here 70 paper feed. Here are the little controls. It's in the off position. This way, that's the reverse mode. This one here is single feed. And that one there is continuous feed. So I'll show you how single feed here works. Just turn it on, single feed. Put the paper in. There you go. And the drawer is on an interlock, so if you break your drawer, you can't just fix it, because there's a little interlock there. It turns the power button off to that little yellow amber color. Close the drawer, turns back on. Up here, this is a little paper feeder. If you lift it up, you'll see it turns off. Push it down, turns back on. Unfortunately, it's kind of cheap. See, little pin right here broke. That one has the pin. So if yours breaks, you just have to kind of Mickey Mouse it in there till the light's back on. So it's not perfect. So big feed says 70. I don't recommend 70. I think I use maybe 40 max. And it feeds a bunch at a time. Sometimes it gets a little jam, maybe. More in there. Then if you want reverse mode, it'll kick the paper back out. And let's do continuous mode. Just keeps pouring down there. Now continuous mode, the motor will not stop. You just feed in all your paper one by one. Just like that. Here's an envelope. You'll take your envelope right down there. And here we have a little credit card. So the credit card, you put it right in the center. And there she goes. Let's see what we got. Oh, that wonderful recycling shredded stuff. Put that in the recycle bin. So overall, this unit's pretty good. It's $93 at Walmart. And a little bit noisy, but I think it's really good for what it is. Just don't break any parts, because then the interlocks will lock you out of using this thing. Right up here. All right, it's our Boxis Autoshred. Okay, thanks for watching. It's a good product. Recommend it if you need a shredder. Have a great day. Bye.